Hello, I'm Dominic Ventura with eLUXE3D. This video was made for the 2024 JA show in Las Vegas and presented at the eLUXE3D booth. It is meant to quickly demonstrate the process of creating a shadow band for an existing solitaire using 3D scan data. By using 3D scans, we can make the shadow band precisely match the contours of the ring. The video shows each step in the process from importing 3D scan, drawing curves, surface creation, and developing a watertight model ready for 3D printing. What I am doing here is centering the ring scan and aligning it to the world coordinate system. I am adding some reference geometry directly on the mesh. Using vertex snap and interpolated curve, I will start to outline the contours of the ring edges. Vertex snap allows me to draw curves directly on the mesh. I will draw the curves working down the outside edge of the ring, and I'm also using the reference geometry I placed earlier. Here I'm working my way down the edge of the ring to the bottom center. Here I'm using transparent lock when I want to see other parts of the geometry, this time drawing the inside curves. I will work along the edges, capturing the contours. Now I'll work my way down back into the center again. Now we can start to build our surfaces using Loft. Once my surfaces are created, I'm going to turn on the control points for those curves and adjust the surface to make it accurately match the ring. I'm just pulling these a little bit and making those adjustments. We have another set of curves to do the outside. Then we're going to merge the surfaces together and create a single surface for the inside and outside. And here I just have both sides, and I'm using Loft again to create the upper surface, but you can also use two-rail sweep if you choose. Here I'm trimming out the inside of the ring. We're adding a couple of fillets. And here I'm going to start the cutout in order to put it in the weave pattern. So this is just working in a planar fashion and getting an initial curve. I'll make some adjustments and then we can extrude, mirror, and now I'll just do a Boolean difference. And now we have our inside cut out. Here I'm using vertex snap to trace the curves directly on the mesh, and this was going to help create the weave pattern. Keep in mind this video is a demo. It is meant to quickly outline the steps in the construction of the ring. So in order to provide a more complete analysis of the process, we are recording a series of videos. They will focus on each step in the building process, providing a comprehensive understanding of the tools and techniques using 3D scan data. We feel this information is important to current customers as well as companies looking to invest in this technology. I cannot emphasize enough the benefit 3D scanning has for design and manufacturing. Sergey Yurtsev, founder and CEO of eLUXE3D, offers 3D scanning technology to the jewelry industry, providing unparalleled precision at an affordable price. We hope you enjoy the upcoming videos for the shadow band and find them educational.